Here we start with the magic ring. And then we do chain 1, and we are going to make 6 single crochets into the ring. And to join, we slip a stitch in the first single crochet. Now we make chain 1, and then we make 2 single crochets into each stitch around. So we're going to end up with 12 stitches total. And now we join with a slip stitch to finish that round. Now we start with chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then in the next stitch we're going to make 2 single crochets. In the next stitch we're going to again make 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch we're going to make 2 single crochets. And we're going to repeat that pattern around 1 2 1 2, and I meet you guys at the end. And now we're going to join in the first stitch. And now for the first point of the leaf, we're going to chain 4, and in the second chain from the hook we're going to single crochet, and in the next stitch we're going to half double crochet one time, and we're going to half double crochet in the very last stitch. Now we're going to skip 2 stitches from the previous round, and in the third stitch we're going to do slip stitch to join. For the second point of the leaf we're going to chain 5, and now we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Now we're going to half double crochet in the next stitch. And then we're going to double crochet in the next stitch one time, and we're going to double crochet again in the last stitch. We're going to skip 2 stitches from the previous round, and we're going to join in the next stitch. For the third point of the leaf we're going to chain 7, and then we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. We're going to half double crochet in the next chain. We're going to double crochet in the next stitch. And now we're going to treble in the next stitch. We're going to treble again in the next stitch. And in the very last stitch we're going to double treble, which is 3 times around your hook. And now we're going to skip the 4 next stitches from the previous round, and in the 5th stitch we're gonna slip a stitch. For the 4th point of the leaf we're gonna chain 5, and we're gonna single crochet in the second chain from the hook. We're going to half double crochet in the next stitch, and we're going to double crochet in the next stitch, And we are going to double crochet again in the very last stitch. We're going to skip 2 stitches from the previous round, and in the third one we're going to slip a stitch to join. And in the last point of the leaf we're going to chain 4. We're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. We're going to half double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to half double crochet in the last stitch. Now we're going to end up with invisible join. It looks more professional, so we cut our working yarn and fasten off right there. Now we're going to thread our yarn needle. And we're going to find our very first chain or stitch. We're going to go underneath the V shape from front to back. And now we're going to go through the back loop only, front to back, from that very last stitch we made. And we tighten a little bit right there, so it looks very smooth and nice finish. And this is for decoration purposes only. I'm using here a metallic thread, and with the surface crochet and slip stitch, I insert the hook and yarn over, pull through, and I start making the chain along the lines of the leaf, and I continue with that pattern around, and it looks very pretty. And here I'm going to start making the berries, and for that I'm going to make a magic ring. And now I'm going to make 1 chain and then 5 single crochets into the ring. I'm going to slip a stitch to join in the first single crochet. I'm going to make chain 1 and 1 single crochet on top of each stitch around. Here I'm going to slip a stitch to join, and for the last round we're going to do single crochet 2 together. So we're going to start with chain 1. We're going to insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops in the hook, and yarn over, pull through the 3. And we repeat the same single crochet 2 together around 5 times total. And at the end, to stop the little ball, we can just put some cotton. And then you guys fasten off, weaving the ends. And I'm using a snap ball ornament LED candle, and it looks pretty cute with all the decoration. I hope you guys like it and you join me for the next project.